Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to view the net profit margin of a stock or a company. This metric is very useful because it shows how much profit a company keeps from its revenue after all expenses, giving investors insight into efficiency, profitability, and overall business performance in competitive markets. Once you open Google Finance, go ahead and select a stock or company of your choice. For this example, I'll search for Netflix. After selecting Netflix, scroll down to the bottom of the page until you reach the Financials section. Here, you'll see options like Income Statement, Balance Sheet, and Cash Flow. Make sure the Income Statement is selected by clicking on the drop-down. Once you're in the income statement view, you can scroll down to find net profit margin, which measures how much net income is generated as a percentage of total revenue. In this case, you might see something like 20.07, along with a percentage change such as up 10.03% on a quarterly basis. This helps you quickly understand whether the company is becoming more profitable over time. You can also switch between quarterly and annual views to compare trends across different time periods. Monitoring this metric alongside revenue growth, operating income, and expenses can provide deeper insights into financial health, cost management, and long-term sustainability. It's especially helpful when comparing companies within the same industry or evaluating performance over multiple reporting periods. And that's it. Very simple and straightforward. This is how you can check or view the net profit margin of a stock or company on Google Finance. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.